Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Freshdesk. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically add a contact in Freshdesk. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and Freshdesk is an awesome help desk software. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Freshdesk. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and Freshdesk. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Freshdesk. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find connect. Click on connect. And then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, you can create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. So I'm going to click on this. A dialog box will appear in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as PayKickstart to Freshdesk. PayKickstart to Freshdesk. Excellent. Then click on Create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart. Now in the trigger event, let's make it as transaction sales. Now transaction sales is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question. If the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a sales happens, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like fulfillment on hold, fulfillment order received, fulfillment received, fulfillment refunded, subscription cancelled, cart abandonment, and so on. All of them are a bunch of triggers. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a sale has happened in PayKickstart. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's go to PayKickstart and let's go to this part called as campaigns. Click this. Okay, so I'm going to select a product that I want to integrate with. So this is the product I want to integrate with. So I'm going to click on this edit part. Click this. Okay, so this is the edit page of my product. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up and at the top you will find IPN URL. So just click on this green button, add. So here we have to add a IPN URL. So your obvious question is where I'm going to get the IPN URL. So to get the IPN URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the IPN URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, excellent. So let us check whether we have added the correct URL. Okay, so the URL is 40tgt. Okay, let me see. Okay, yes, we have added the correct URL. Now in the set event, we have to make it as a transaction sales. Okay, so we have entered our IPN URL. Also, we have set the event as transaction sales. Excellent. So just go to the top at the right corner. You will find the option called as save. Click on save. Okay, so we have successfully updated the product. So this means that we have integrated this product to Pabbly Connect. So this means anytime a variation is bought in this product, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, capture webhook response. So this will ensure that Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So let's go to PayKickstart and let's go to campaigns once more. And how about we make a dummy transaction sales? So I'm going to click on this product. Okay, so this is the product I'm interested in. So here, let's go to this funnels, click this. Okay, so just click on quick links. So this is the checkout page associated with this product. I'm simply going to copy this and just going to open this in a new tab. Press enter. Okay. So imagine this, a dummy customer is purchasing your product. So the name of the product is 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗆, and the last name is 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗆, and this is the email. So jewelry and 123@gmail.com, 123@122@gmail.com. So this is the contact information and this is the email. Okay, so just click on next step, and we are going to make some changes in the billing information. Okay, 105, 106. Okay, zip code. Okay, so we have selected some regions and entered some codes. Okay, so this is the billing information that we have entered. Just click on next step and we have completed the purchase. Okay, so a person called as 𝗪𝗯𝗪𝗆 has made a purchase of 149 rupees. Okay, so since Pabbly Connect is now integrated with PayKickstart, let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. So let's go and see. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So give it 1 or 2 seconds, it will capture the data. Okay, so the webhook response is showing the data has been captured. So this is the billing address to Shaktinagar. This is the billing city, and this is the billing country, Hong Kong. This is the billing state, CH, and this is the billing zip code. This is the buyer email, okay, and this is the buyer first name, the last name. Okay, excellent. So we have successfully captured all the data from PayKickstart into Pabbly Connect. Now we have to sync this data to create a contact in Freshdesk. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, let's make it as a Freshdesk. Okay, Freshdesk. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a contact? Now create a contact is one of the many action events I have. Now in case if you don't find the action event of your choice other than these, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a contact in Freshdesk. Then click on connect with Freshdesk. Okay, so we have 3 blanks to fill to connect with Freshdesk. These blanks are the API key, the Freshdesk account password, and the subdomain. So to get the API key, let's go to Freshdesk. Okay, so this is my Freshdesk account, and at the top you will find profile. Click this, then click on profile settings. Okay, so this is your API key. Simply copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so let's see whether we have pasted the correct API. Okay, so this is the API and we have pasted the API. Okay, excellent. Now coming to the Freshdesk account password. So I'm just going to enter my password. Okay, so I have entered my password. Now coming to the subdomain. So basically this is your subdomain. Okay, from this dot, okay, from HTTPS to this dot is your subdomain. All these characters are your subdomain. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm just going to simply paste it here. Okay, so all the details has been entered. Just click on save. So when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you, the full name and the email. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to sync in all the data that we have received from PayKickstart via Pabbly Connect. But before we sync in the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so let's start syncing in our data. So in the full name, we are just going to click on this button to just map in the detail. So the name is 𝗪𝗯𝗪𝗆. and we have the last name as Fiona. Okay, similarly we are going to map in the email. Just click here and just type email. So this is the email, the full name and the email has been entered. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Freshdesk. So let's see whether Freshdesk has created a contact. So I'm going to go to contacts, click on contacts. Yes, the contact has been made. Okay, so the contact name is 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 and this is the email address. The presence of this contact in Freshdesk shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart to Freshdesk with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. So before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So this is my action window. I'm minimizing this. And this is my trigger window and I have minimized this. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Freshdesk. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and Freshdesk. Okay, excellent. So how about we make one more transaction? So I'm copying this checkout link. Okay, so I'm just opening this in a new tab. So this time the name is 𝗪𝗍. And the name is Roger. Okay, and the email can be 𝗪𝗍_credit_Rogi. 𝗪𝗍_credit_Rogi. Okay, then click on next step. And 𝗪𝗍 is from Italy. Okay, and the rest of the details I'm just filling at random. Okay. Okay, so 𝗪𝗍 is from Brazil. Okay, I have changed all the details. Okay, I have auto-filled all the details. Just click on next step and I have completed the purchase. Okay, so a dummy customer called as 𝗪𝗍 Roger has made a purchase. So since PayKickstart is now integrated with Freshdesk, let's see whether we have a person called as 𝗪𝗍 as a contact. Yes, so we have got the contact called as 𝗪𝗍 Roger. So this means our integration is working absolutely fine. So this means that anytime a transaction or a sale happens in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a contact in Freshdesk.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.